Hello Houston, hello YouTube. Well, we're here on Yale Street at Washington Avenue, and there's a train coming. There he is way down there. It's about to turn into a no horn zone right here though. But yeah, he's on his way. Yeah, I don't often get trains in this area, but I'm not usually here. But when they do come by, I stop and get them, and I was actually just sitting here eating a sandwich, eating lunch, and heading home, and I think I'll stick around a bit longer. Yeah, he's on his way here. Bell's coming on down there. So ours will be next to come on. And nice cool day out too. A little overcast, but it's worth the wait. Here we go. And we got a runner right there. All right. Way to run through the signal. No horn zone, so we won't hear nothing. Three locomotives. Should be a pretty long train in that case, or a really heavy one. Hopefully there'll be a DPU. I've seen those come through here often. It's nice the dinging isn't so loud like in other spots that I record at. I don't even hear the bells ringing here on the signals. It's like mostly a tanker train here. By the looks at it, they're loaded. Those springs are down on the wheels. Yeah, those are loaded. 3 locomotives, heavy train, a lot of liquid in it. Chemicals. I wonder what a lot of these are carrying. Oh, here comes some boxcars. I'd love to live in those apartments right over there. A while ago it was really windy too, so it's not bad right now, thankfully. We had some wind gusts up to 30-40 miles an hour today. It's pretty calm now, but tomorrow it's supposed to be raining. Oh, these look fairly new. Nice, and they're loaded too, it appears, the springs. They're going by kind of fast there. Nice little area to hang out in. this is a long train, so there are a lot of tankers on this one. A couple boxcars. This is one of those areas, be a nice neighborhood to live in. I mean, they got like stores, restaurants in this area, Houston. The art car museum's right across the street. I'll try and get a picture of it in a minute. It's right on the other side of the tracks. Some more boxcars. Oh wait, that's Grainers, sorry, Grainers. Nice ride too. That's a nice porch on that Grainer. Look at that right there. That's one you can jump up on and ride. That one too. That is not a good ride right there. Those are like, oh, there you go. That's a Cadillac there. That's a Cadillac Grainer. Look at the back end of that. You can really hide up in there. I mean, I wish I could see one stop, the Cadillac Grainer. And oh, this is an old Western Central. Wisconsin Central. Wow. Some DPU. We got some DPUs coming here. I'm going to get up on this one. Got 2 DPUs on this one, man. That's awesome. Don't know what that says, if anything. Some more, this is a boxcar coming. Rather big looking one too. A lot of graffiti on the side. Let's try and get that in there. Right on. Oh, these are porchless Grainer. This is a long train here. Some of these boxcars are pretty huge. Makes you wonder what they got going on them in there. KCS. He's going pretty slow through here. He must have slowed down somewhere up the line. A lot of tankers on this one though, that's why it's so heavy. Try and get that spring. Those springs are pushed down between the wheels there. So yeah, starting to wonder if there might be another DPU at the end. That'd be cool. I mean, you don't see that too often. I don't anyway. In the area where I live, it's not often, but around here I've seen a lot of DPUs. A lot of DPUs in this area. Now, a lot of people don't ride tankers, you know, as far as train hopping. If they do, it's up on top there. And they call that the crow's nest. Crow's nest right up there, and you don't want to ride there because you will be spotted. Either that, you're going to be really hot from the sun in the summertime, or in weather, you're going to be in all kinds of weather. Yeah, one more DPU. Final DPU right here. That is awesome. 3 DPUs on that one there. And we got another train coming right here, right after this one just left. Hang on. This is just minutes after that last one just went by with the 3 DPUs. A lot of grainers on this one. Black cars, man, yeah. See those too many times. Hey, it's Jake from Allstate. Or State Farm, whatever that commercial goes. Well, this is pretty cool. I'm catching 2 trains within 5 minutes apart. Gonna get over here so the trees don't block it up too much. Center beam, all right. This is looks like this could be a manifest. And these aren't loaded. I'm looking at the springs on the grainers. They're not loaded. They're way up. And there's the end of it right there anyway. So there goes that one, and that was the end. And I think this might be, I think 2 trains is good for a day because I kind of want to go home. So it's been a nice day. You know, I'll go out, get my things done. I get 2 trains. One has 3 DPUs on it, 2 in the middle, 2 on the rear. I mean, 1 on the rear. That, yeah, so it's like 3 DPUs. Yeah, 2 in the middle, 1 in the rear pushing. And nice day outside, heading home. Yeah, so anyway, that was really cool, and I had fun doing that. And right now, just came back from Walmart. I was having lunch right here, then the train, I heard the rumbling down the line, and down the line a ways you can hear the horns, because it's a horn zone down that way, but right here is not a horn zone. Too many fancy apartments, and we got these townhouses right back here on the other side of the track. And well, people don't want to be hearing trains all the time. They're no fun, huh? You know, I would love it, honestly. But anyway, yeah, I'm here with my little thing right here. And that's how I haul things around. I got this not too long ago. Helps with carrying groceries and whatever. Just pull it around. It fits on the bus. Bus drivers don't care. You know, as long as the bus ain't too crowded, that thing fits on there right pretty nicely. And yeah, so that's my little train car, basically. And anyway, so I was talking about the Houston Art Car Museum. That's it right there across the street here on Yale Street, right near the railroad tracks I was just at. I was just right over there. And this is, you know, it's a free museum. They like, you know, you can donate and go in there and see some cool cars, because every year they have the art car parade in Houston. And sadly, I'm hearing next month this place is shutting down forever. I believe the owners can no longer keep up, and honestly, I think they may have passed on, is what the thing is. And I don't know if anyone's picking up on it to keep it going, or it's totally going to shut down. Sorry, I was looking up there. I was trying to back up. Anyway, you know, maybe I'm going to come back one day before they do close out, because I do want to check it out, and I'll see if I can, you know, get some camera in there. Someone being patriotic with their flag. But anyway, yeah, that's the art car museum. It looks pretty cool. It looks like something from a Mad Max movie or something. Yeah, I'm sitting here looking at this little spot right here. A nice little spot right here to hang out at. Nice covered trees, shade. This building used to be an antique store. Antica, and now it's up for lease. Hopefully someone buys it soon and makes something, because it's a nice little building. Shit, if I could do it, I'd buy it and make a house out of it. Well, that'd be kind of cool, huh? Right here by the train track too. Railroad's right there. You got a Walmart on the other side of these apartments right here. I think they're called the High Line. It's back that way. Can't see it from here. Art car museum over there. Tattoo shop. Convenience store. Little restaurant. Hey, it's a pretty nice little area, huh? Anyway, yeah. And I was sitting here like organizing stuff in my wagon, and I just started thinking of that, you know. I got my stuff in there and covered up nicely. Got my umbrella just in case it started raining, because it does look like it could. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow, like a 70% chance of rain. And well, thankfully that motorcycle wasn't too loud. But yeah, that's my little cart. Yeah, this is a nice little spot. You know, look at nice little building. I don't know if you can see inside. There's, I can barely see in there. There's like an M&M thing in there. It's one of those M&M. I don't know, you got it close here. There he is. The M&M guy in there. All right. Get a nice little spot. Nice big doors on this place. You know, once I get up close, it can't hurt to look. See if we can see anything. Windows are really dirty. You just see those shelves right there. Those shelves are nice. See those like checkerboard looking shelves. There's electricity in here. Sign up there. Exit signs on. Nice little spot. Hey, like I said, I'd buy it, but I really can't afford it. Anyway. Oh, there's a little added bonus just before I leave. Here comes another train. We got a runner right there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You can hear that coming. He's pulling hard. It sounds like it's a hard-working engine. Well, this is going to be a bonus footage here for the end of the video. Might as well get it before I'm gone. I can see the lights on the rail down there. There we go. And he's on the other side, the other track too. This is, can't see anything here. The light's bright right in my face. KCS, Kansas City Southern. I just got a wave from the driver. I didn't know his window was open, but yeah, he saw me. That was pretty cool. Canadian Pacific right here. And we got something going on over here. A policeman has his lights on trying to get somewhere. Hang on, I'll go back. Anyway, yeah, he made it. Canadian Pacific again, yeah, I already said that. Humor. That's pretty cool. You're getting different kinds of cars here. That was cool. That was cool. I like that. The artwork on some of these cars is really talented artists. Gonna step back a little bit so I'm not like looking too close up to it. Seems like this is a pretty busy track, you know, so I'll probably do another outro or something, or I can't see what that says. I can't make that out. Or that. I mean, that's pretty cool. A lot of these grainers, I just noticed, are also porchless. So there's a no-ride train right here. Time travelers. Got the time traveler car there. That was pretty neat. I got a feeling there's another train pulling up beside, going this other way. Sounds like one's coming. Classic. Old KCS right there. Kansas City Southern. Yeah, I don't think there's a train coming up. Just the sound reverberating around. Oh, look at this, look at that. That is cool. That is awesome. I'm going to try and get a screenshot of that and use that for my, you know, the small picture for the video. And this one has some colorful artwork on it, man, I'll tell you. And we got a DPU. I hear a DPU coming. There he is, DPU. Pushing that way, pushing this train. Hear that engine working. Boy, that engine's working hard. So it's definitely worth the wait today. I only thought I'd get one train, if that much even, and I got two. And yeah, the 3 DPUs on that first one was great. Wasn't a DPU on that second one, but that one that just passed by when I was just about to leave. Then I heard the rumbling, and knew a train was coming. Then they had a DPU on that one. So it's always good when you catch DPUs. You know, it's just you know, I don't get that often, and like, you know, so this area seems like a good area for big trains and different, you know, that last one was Kansas City Southern, first one was the Union Pacific, and you know, you get all kinds of different trains. It's fun to see where these trains are coming from, and you know, these trains have been probably millions of miles all over the United States, maybe even through Canada. You know, the Canadian Express, the Canadian cars. I was just on that train, Canadian Pacific. You know, so you know, those have been a long ways. You know, and it's just really neat. You know, and anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get heading out here and see what's going on tonight at home, you know, which probably not much, you know, so not as exciting as this right here anyway. But anyway, until next time, I hope you guys have a great Easter next week too. Easter's coming up. Hope your families get together and have dinner, all the fun with the kids and Easter egg stuff, and you know, and just have a great day. If I don't have a video by then, yeah, you know, anyway, until then, until I bring you more random chaos, stay awesome, stay sweet, and love one another, and be cool. See you later.